All right. Thank you for tuning in to Joe's Comic Strip. This is where I am learning to create videos about creating my very own comic strip. And I'm going to try and share with you the process. It's all still pretty new to me, and I hope you forgive the crudity of my videos. I have found two programs with YouTube that are very helpful. They're both apps that I have downloaded on my Android phone, which is all I'm using to create this content. So it's definitely a learning process. One of them is YouTube Studio, and this has more options than you can shake a stick at, and I haven't even scratched the surface with it, but it shows you some analytics, and basically you can see what your YouTube channel is doing. And the next one is YouTube Create, if I got that right, and that's where I'm creating these videos. You're able to choose a little computer generated, I hate to use the word AI, but anyway, you can create a little background tune to go along with your video if you like, and you can insert any photos from your phone, which is what I'm doing with the cartoon strip right now. So bear with me. It's a learning process, and I'm only saying all this so that if anybody's interested, they could try it too. So moving right along, what we're looking at today is the second comic strip that I did. And in my first video, I talked about Skillshare and how it gave me a couple of online courses on just how to make your own cartoon strip. I highly recommend it. Now you'll see the character Drew is in a 2-frame cartoon strip. That's the format that I've chosen, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Developing other characters to go along with Drew, and I hope you tune in again next time. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this has been informative, if not entertaining. Have a good day.